My dear friends, today I want to share an exercise related to your travel plan. When we travel, we have normally our neck tired, and we shoulder tired, and arms tired, and we feel our swelling on our feet due to the sitting all the time. So, I will share few steps to manage your stress and also manage your shoulder problems. So, please like our YouTube channel and also share with your friends. So, first of all, let's say you have taken the boarding pass, and after taking the boarding pass, you have the plenty of time. Just sit on the airport and in any comfortable place and do this meditation. With the help of this meditation, you will be able to manage your journey, manage your stress, and you feel relaxed and calm. So it's a very simple technique. Just close your beautiful eyes and focus on your breathe pattern from your nostrils. Inhale and exhale. Well, friends, you just need to focus on your breathe pattern and feel that every breathe which is coming to inside our body, coming with the positive energy, and every breathe which is going away from our nostrils, taking our negative energy. In other words, you simply say every inhale is with the good oxygen and every exhale is with the carbon dioxide. So, oxygen is good for our health, and how much we release our carbon dioxide is also good for our health. So, with this exercise, you just need to focus on your breathe pattern, and in the second step, you just focus on your uh, uh, different thoughts which are coming at your this place, moving like this. Just focus these thoughts and don't follow them and don't react with them. Just try to focus as a neutral person, and slowly you will feel these thoughts are going to be reduced, and there will be more distance. The thoughts are coming in and the thoughts are going away from your mind. Slowly, after some time, you will feel these thoughts will be removed, and you will feel relaxed and calm. And the next step, you need to focus on your pulse rate. So, there is a pulse rate between your thumb and the first finger, and do like this, and put on your hands on your knees, and your spine is straight, your neck is at level, not up, not down, and just focus on your pulse rate. Just focus on your pulse rate. Slowly, you will feel relaxed and you will feel calm, and you will feel there are no more thoughts in your mind. And with the every breath which is going into your body and every breath which is going away from your body, by focusing this breath pattern, you will feel relaxed. Now I'll start reverse counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. With every descending number, you will feel relaxed and you will feel calm. You are going deeper and deeper with my sound and feeling better and better with every moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your beautiful eyes. So, this is the exercise to manage your stress, manage your pressure on your mind. The second, you need to rub now your palms and feel energy. Then put your hard palms on your eyes and feel this heat, and you will feel relaxed. Then put little massage on your face, nose. So well, this is the exercise for little meditation, and you can prolong it up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's up to you. And second, you need to do little breathing exercise. We say this is Bhastrika Pranayam, and do like this. Then the other side. Then with both nostrils. Now get the feelings. Again you will feel calm and relaxed, and doing this with the help of this breathing exercise you will get more energy, you will get more power. Open your eyes. So you can do this exercise 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, not more than that. So you will feel relaxed. Second, for your neck problems, just inhale, exhale right, inhale center, exhale left, inhale center, exhale right, inhale center, exhale left, inhale center. So you will repeat this step at least 10 times. And then second step, inhale, exhale down, touch your chin with your chest and feel your breath pattern. Inhale center, exhale up, inhale center, exhale down, inhale center, exhale up, inhale center. So this is the second step. You also need to repeat this step at least 10 times for the relaxation of your neck. And the third exercise, you will inhale and put your palm like this and move the opposite by releasing your breath from your nostrils. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. In the second step, cross your hands and put on your forehead, then inhale, then exhale by putting opposite pressure. Inhale, then exhale, inhale, then exhale, inhale, then exhale, and relax. So well, these are the few steps which will going to help you for your traveling, and I hope by doing the practice you will feel better. And practice is the more important, because practice makes the man perfect. So well, wish you good journey, and wish you best of luck, and feel enthusiastic, feel energetic. Goodbye. Thank you very much.